giving your homework from workbook page number 50. Write here HW and same today's date mentioned here. I know my letter sounds M. Trace the lines and help the monkey reach the mango. Left side you can see monkey and right side here mango. So now you have to trace the lines to reach the monkey to the mango. Let's start to trace it. All are slanting lines. Okay, next part. Trace the lines to help the mouse get to the bowl of milk. Here is milk and here is mouse. The mouse will drink the milk. That's why you have to trace the lines. Next part. Draw a line from the letter M to all the pictures that begin with this letter sound. You know that here is M and you have to identify the pictures, the names, and then after you draw the lines with starting with letter M. First one, what is this? This is Bill. B-E-double-L. Bill. Next, this is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. This is, you can see milk. So M-I-L-K, milk. This is mobile. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. He is man. M-A-N, man. And this is mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. So here moon, milk, mobile, man and mushroom. All are starting with letter M. The beginning letter is M. Only Bill, the beginning letter is B. So here you draw the lines from M here, moon, to milk, to mobile, to man and to mushroom. Next go to the another page, page number 51. Tick the letter M, capital M and small m. Both you have to put tick mark. First one you can see capital M, put tick mark. Next small e, next small m, tick. Small k, small l, small a, small c, capital M, tick mark. Again capital M, tick. Small m, yes, you put tick mark. Next small e, small f, small n, capital N. Next small m, so put tick mark. Capital M, tick mark. Small b, small m, tick mark. Capital M, tick mark. And the last one, small b. Next, draw lines from the mouse to all the food items that begin with the sound of the letter M. The middle you can see mouse. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And here you can see the food items. Which food items starting with letter M, that you have to draw the lines from the mouse. So first one, this is cake or pastry. So you can write here cake, C-A-K-E, cake. This is mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. This is milk, M-I-L-K, milk. This is mushroom, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. And this is jam, J-A-M, jam. So mango starting with letter M, milk starting with letter M, and mushroom starting with letter M. So from the mouse you have to draw the line here to mango, to milk and mushroom, because cake starting with K and jam starting with J. So we should not draw the lines.